guys, I'm Noah from Theme Park Fun, and today I'm at SeaWorld for another construction update. They've done a lot. So there used to be a flag up there, like at the top, and like papers that said, I forget, it was Asbury Metal or something like that. So the whole track is done, as you can see, it's been done. And the station has a lot of progress done. Last time, it was just those wooden things right there. You could kind of see, like, that's the wooden parts of the station. Now they're putting metal on it, and it's becoming a normal ride structure and stuff like that. I don't know if the launch panels are done. Like, I think they're supposed to go back farther that way. Actually, nah, maybe not. I don't know though. From the other skyrockets, if I remember, I think the launch panels go back like a tad more, like up to there or something. Or maybe it's the front, because it looks like that on the front. What else do we see going on? You'll enter on the other side, and I'm pretty sure you'll exit like right here, go down around like out there, and then maybe behind that part. That's really the most they've done on this side. We're by Journey to Atlantis. Oh yeah, Journey to Atlantis is closed. All the water's drained. And it's hot, and I really want to ride it, but it's closed, so I can't ride it. So this is the back side. We'll go around to the other side because there's what looks like to be a gift shop. So you'll do the ride, go around that way, go through the gift shop, kind of like Manta, where you exit through a gift shop. Like, that's any SeaWorld ride. You just go and you'll exit through a gift shop. So in SeaWorld, there's a little like hidden spot. This is that Italian restaurant or whatever. It's all the way up there. That's the restaurant part. So if you come to the left side of it, walk all the way down the path over here, this is the place where Manta launches. So we'll get a cool little shot of that in a second. Okay, so at the front of the park, this is where they unrevealed the coaster car for Electric Eel. If I can get this out of the sun, you will be able to see better. There we go. So, that glare. Wait. Alright. So they have the comfort collars. You can see. Obviously, comfort collars. The handlebars aren't done just because it's, oh my gosh, this glare is actually killing me. It doesn't, you can't see it in it, but it doesn't have like the full on like handlebar, like cushiony thing. It's just like a metal rod that goes across, which I guess it still looks pretty cool. But now we will go to the other side, like I was saying. Oh yeah, since I do homeschool, we literally came on the best day where there's actually nobody here. I walked straight up to the front on Manta. Like, if you were, I walked up and literally walked in the switchbacks for the front row and just walked straight on the front. The gates were open already and just walked straight on. I'm on the other side. If I get any closer, you won't really be able to see the metal over there. If you're wondering, what's the metal you're talking about? That metal, which I'm pretty sure is a gift shop. This is the best image I can get of the metal. I'm just standing on a curb. There's not much we can see. Well, that's basically it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.